Hello, everybody, and welcome to the last Headteacher CCCU Assembly of 2021. We made it. It's been an incredible year. We know what we're about at Grange. We do good listening. We use kind words. We use kind hands for great actions. We have confidence and consideration. And I have a mission for you on your holiday now. Work with your parents and carers, with your brothers and sisters and friends and cousins and anybody you meet who's a lovely, trusted person. What is your favorite word and why? If you can write down your favorite word or get an adult to write your favorite word for you, make sure they put your name on it. And if you can get that to me in the new year, well, I've got on class charts, I have the Head Teacher Challenge Award, which is 20 class chart points in one go. If I like your favorite word and I like why it's your favorite word, and you're going to need an adult to help you to write that down, especially the why, I'm going to be so happy I will give you class charts, affirmation, CC PowerPoints. So we love words. What's Mr. Kerbel's favorite word right now? My favorite word is gratitude. Gratitude means I am grateful. I am thankful. I want to say thank you. And there's so many things I want to say thank you for. I want to say thank you to all of you for being part of this incredible, wonderful school, the School of Grange. So I'm thankful to be working in Grange, the head teacher of Grange. I'm thankful that you are all in Grange. I'm thankful that Grange is such a kind, wonderful school of great learning and lots of progress, a school where everybody does their best. So that's my favorite word, gratitude. What's your favorite word and why? Remember my favorite toy? I hope you play really nicely with lovely toys during this holiday. Remember that sharing is caring and kindness is strength. So when you see somebody who also wants to play with the toy that you're playing with, you say, let's take turns, and you make sure they have a turn, you have a turn, and we all share, we're all happy, we all play together, we make the world a better place. So stars of the week. Actually, this is not stars of the week. This is stars of the whole of the autumn 2 half term. It's Emmanuel, Nyla Rose, Baran, Esma, Eva, Karunya. Well done. But here are our class champions. Now, our class champions, those were gold stars of the week, but these are our class champions of the whole of the autumn 2 half term. Rebecca and Bob Marley, Yoaz and Bob Marley, Clinton and Bob Marley, Sophia in Sojourner Truth, Parative in Sojourner Truth, and Amira in Sojourner Truth. We're so proud of you. And Jinan in Sojourner Truth, so proud of you. So remember, everybody at Grange, we are powerful people of Grange. We are kind people of Grange. We are loved people of Grange. We are Grange. And we made it. We have done so brilliantly. We've learned so much. We have made so much progress. We've been so kind. We've been so caring. We've solved our problems. We've worked together. We're going to have a brilliant holiday. We're going to come back. Remember, we saw the reindeer. Let's do for ourselves a CC salute. Confidence for myself. I'm going to be kind and give love to myself. And look at our beautiful world. Consideration. I'm going to be kind, sharing, and lovely to everybody and the world around me. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration and enjoy all the learning ahead, because even in the holiday we're learning. We're reading, we're listening, we're learning, we're kind. So let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other. Let's achieve our potential, because we go to the greatest school in the galaxy. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.